Simulator tutorial. Not much to say really. There's not a lot to it. You just clear a little space and you jump up and down. You can do it. You can do it standing up, or you can sit on one of them fancy looking Pilates balls, and then you're just gonna hop along. So to get started, you got to choose one of them green buttons. You just look at it, and you're gonna see some stop signs, and you're gonna want to stop at them stop signs. Get a little break, because likely you're gonna be really hot and sweaty from all that jumping around
Alright, it seems like we're ready to get started. I want you to start jumping up and down so we can get moving. Let me introduce myself. I'm the star of this story. It's a story about me. I don't want to spoil too much right now. Get comfortable as you move. Wait for the stop sign up ahead and you're gonna stop there. In the meantime, just contemplate all the wondrous things that we're going to experience. Alright, that's a first stop sign. You're gonna notice to stop a bit gradually, but trust me, in VR it feels a lot better than just stopping all at once. Oh, and look, there's Dad. Hey Dad, how we doing?
Now, what are you doing out here? Idling about in the outback?
Oh no, Dad, I'm getting some exercise. I'm hopping around.
Son, I gotta tell you something. It might be difficult to hear. You know your mum, how I told you, like, she was a kangaroo and all that?
Yeah, Dad, of course she's a kangaroo. I'm a kangaroo too.
No, well, there's a thing, you're a wallaroo.
A wallaroo? That means my mum's a wallaby. Oh my goodness, I have so many questions. Do you think I should go off and find her or something?
Yeah, not much chance of that, but yeah. So see you around, kid.
Oh, but Dad...
No, you better be hopping.
I guess you're right. Alright, let's jump, come on.
Chauncey, I'm so glad to see you. You're never gonna believe what's happened. I just saw my dad and he said that I'm a wallaroo because my mum's a wallaby. Oh, I'm so confused and I don't know what to do.
So let me get this straight. You come to me, the town mule, when you learn that you're actually a hybrid. And so you're thinking to yourself, oh, what other hybrids do I know? Oh, yes, that mule that sits around and guards the chickens.
Oh, I didn't mean it like that. I didn't...
Oh, yes, I get it. So now you're part of the club, the hybrid club. Welcome.
Oh, Chauncey, I can see it's a bad time, so...
Yes, always a bad time with Chauncey. You better go. Get out of here before I sick the chickens on you.
Okay, let's go then. Let's go. Hurry along. Hop. Just when this day couldn't get any worse, my two biggest fears are combined up ahead. Scorpions and competitive sports. Seems like the Scorpions are having their annual Aussie Rules match, but there's no way around, so I guess we just have to face our fears. So in this last stretch, I want you to hop as quickly as possible. So just start jumping and please don't look back. So there we are, we've come to the end of the Kangaroo Simulator. This is the part of the story where I would look into a reflecting pool or something and give myself a pep talk about overcoming my fears. But as you see, a reflecting pool is above ground and too talented with ladders. It's a big feat, you see. But anyway, we've had lots of adventures. We learned that Kangaroo Simulator is a misnomer, and that we can face our fears if we look ahead, and that you can't trust mules. Wow. So if this is your first playthrough, then just go ahead and click one of the other green buttons. The one on the bottom has no story at all, just some different models and music. So you may not want to hear my voice every time. But yeah, the second one, it does have another adventure that I went on, and it's also canonical, so you can start to make your own expanded universe about Kangaroo Simulating. Alright, welcome back to the Kangaroo Simulator. Here's a story about something that happened to me a short time ago. So I hope you enjoy yourself. Just jump up and down to get yourself moving. And when you come to the stop sign, just stop. Oh, hey there, Henrietta. I almost didn't see you there. How you going? Why do you look so nervous?
Oh, yeah. There are a bunch of frogs running around the outback now. Oh, somebody's got to do something. The king is awfully agitated.
I don't know what I could do. I'm just a young fellow myself, not capable of great things.
Oh, we believe in you. Just do what you can. We're all counting on you.
No, I just said don't count on me. I don't have any confidence at all.
Just start jumping. It'll be okay. I believe in you.
Oh, okay. Well, let's start jumping then. Oh, now I see what Henrietta was talking about. There are so many frogs up ahead. I don't know how we're going to get out of this mess. Let's stay here for a few moments and think, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's enough thinking. Let's jump now. Alright, get going. Oh great, I squished him. I can use my hopping powers to help out. Let's squish all the frogs. Oh, your royal majesty. When I heard about the tragedy, I wanted to help out by hopping on all the frogs until they were squished to death.
For your great service by squishing all the frogs, I now anoint you king of this great country / continent, and you will rule us until the time of your demise. So long live the king, the new king, meaning you.
Oh, but I don't know if I could be king. Such a great responsibility.
No, squishing frogs is all there is to it, so hop on. You have a lot to do, I'm sure.
Okay, let's hop then. Bye-bye, thank you. See, what did I tell you? It was an exciting day, wasn't it? First we were invaded by a group of frogs that were eating crops or whatever. I murdered them all by jumping on them, and then I was made king of Australia. And the best thing about this story is it's completely true. I didn't go into some fantasy because I found out I was a wallaroo and I wanted to rewrite my own narrative. If you'd like to go again, just keep hopping and you'll go back to the start where you choose which of the adventures you want to do. And if you don't want to hear any story but just want to jump, then choose the bottom green button. Anyway, cheers.